Exactly 3 months ago, I started a challenge account with just 50. Not my target. My first target was 1 lakh and 15,000 is where I started, and you can see the equity. It has grown very. I was seeing a structure wherein it was bouncing again and again. So I placed the trade over here. Hello everyone. Yellarigu namaskara. My name is Neeraj and I have been trading crypto from the past 5 years. Now I know everyone is getting super excited about the new bull run which is happening. But I'll tell you one thing, please stand behind and don't get FOMO'd into this cycle, because let me tell you, money can never be made in hype. It's always made in discipline, planning, and a lot of patience. I think patience is something which you will learn a lot if you're in the field of trading. And also, there's nothing to worry if the cycle is gone, the rallies are gone. There is always a opportunity lying somewhere. Market will give you 100 chances to make money, but only if you are prepared you can make money. That's why planning plays a very important role in trading. All you have to do is put up a plan and get ready to the battle. So why I created this channel, the story behind it, every single thing I will tell one day. But in just, I'll tell you, exactly 3 months ago, I started a challenge account with just 15,000 rupees. My intention of this account was to completely start with a very small capital and scale it big, and not exactly scale, compound it big. So my first target, this is not my target, my first target was 1 lakh, and in just matter of 3 to 4 months I'm already halfway there. There is no shortcuts, guys. There is no pumps, there's no dumps. It's pure strategy, consistency, and real trades wherein you just have to sit idle for few days to reach your take profit. My trades are not like, okay, you put 10k now and it becomes 20k in the next 1 hour or 20 minutes or 2 hours or something. It's slow compounding effect wherein you add profit slowly to your account, and slowly your account gets compounded. And the same way I have compounded it halfway, guys. And this channel I will be showing you everything. Everything is gonna be transparent. The trades I take, my thought process, my wins and losses, and most importantly, how to survive and thrive in this market. To be honest, I want this account to go somewhere, because this is my challenge account wherein I want to show you guys that money can be made from a very small capital if you are consistently. I'm starting with 15,000 to maybe touch 10 lakhs. Might take 3 to 4 years or even 5 years. I don't care. I am just gonna follow my process. I am gonna show my wins and losses very transparently, and let's see how it goes. There's no winning or something. It's all about how I will compound this small account into a very big account in front of you all. You are someone who are tired of all the noise in the YouTube that, oh, big money is made here, there. I'll tell you honestly, unsubscribe everything, close all the single apps. I will teach you guys what real trading is, and it is not at all a easy job. It is not at all a lottery system wherein you put 10,000 and becomes 1 lakh. No, it's a slow process. Day by day, there is a lot of struggles, and if you are ready to take this process, this is gonna be a hard process, guys. I'm telling you, whoever is starting trading, the first 3 to 4 years is gonna be a very hard path. So if you are ready and then stick with me. And I will tell you now how I compounded my 15,000 to 55,000 in just a matter of 3 to 4 months. And here is the show. So as you all can see, so this is my Delta Exchange account, and you can see all the deposits what I have done till now. See the dates, it was on 8th April when I started adding funds. So it is total of 5 plus 5 plus 4. So 14,000 is the amount what I have added to this account till now. That is all. I've not added a single penny, and I'll show you the curve of the equity, how it has grown. The the equity curve, whatever you call it. And also I have to mention that there's one more sub account what I have created inside this, because Delta Exchange doesn't let you take shorts and longs together. So in one account, if you're taking longs, in the other accounts I'll be in shorts. Sometimes, not every single time. So that is the main reason. So I'll be very transparent with it. Okay, so now let us go into the P&L analytics of this account. So this is my equity curve, and let me go to the last 93 days. So here is where I started adding funds, and 15,000 is where I started, and you can see the equity. It has grown very slowly. It is a very steady growth. It was struck at 30k around for 20 to 30 days, and then there was a quick rise to 55k, and these were the two big trades what I made, and again it went sideways. And in another account I closed one more trade. I'll show you that. Before that, my average win is around 50%, and to be honest, my wins are close to just 30% in my actual account. This is just 50%, and my wins to compare to losses are very big. My wins are very big. You can see the ratio. If I am losing 1.5 to 2k, I am making close to 12k a trade, an average. So you can see all my trades. This was my 21k, this was my 19k, and the losses are very small, and 3k, and these are small trades wherein 1:3, 1:4, 1:5 trades, and there's one more loss over here. And there are few more trades running in this account which I'll explain you later. And I'll go to the alternative account which I had taken longs in this account last 30 days because it was a recent trade. This was the recent trade which I closed, which was another 11k, and there was a small loss booked at the starting, and 2k. So the total is 9k, total of 9k plus 43k. This is the booked amount till now, whatever I have booked, starting with 15k and being 55k in 3 months. I am pretty happy with it, and I think I can close this year completing my challenge, hoping I can do it. So everything is gonna be transparent, guys. I will also show you the trades, and you can see the trades what I have taken is very less. 8 trades and another 3 trades. So 11 trades I have taken in 3 to 4 months. That is all I have traded. When there is opportunity, when I see my setup, when my strategy, that is when I hop in, I place the trades, and all I do is just sit and watch the market. That is all is the game in trading, guys. If you have a strategy, you let your setup come. Once your setup comes, you place the trades and you just relax. You close your screens, you place your stop loss, and then go away. Let the market do its thing, and if your stop loss gets hit, get for another setup to get formed and just enter those setups. So explaining about my trades, okay, speaking about the 8 trades what I have taken till now, so this was a very good trade what I took in the month of April. So as you all can see, I was seeing a structure wherein it was bouncing again and again. So I placed the trade over here with this liquidity, and my stop losses are usually 2%. No matter what, my stop losses are gonna be fixed. If I get exited from the trade, I will re-enter, and I'll make sure whatever I capture is big. So here was my trade, and I captured and I exited right over here, close to 1:10. So I risked 2000 over here and I made 10,000. So this is what you can see. I risked 2000 over here and I made 20,000. So this is what you can see over here. The 20,000 first big trade whatever I made is here, and the second trade was similar in Ethereum, wherein I saw the liquidity forming, and as soon as it went up above this, I placed a trade with a stop loss of my stop loss was pretty big in this. I put around 5% stop loss and I took my take profits over here. So this was another 1:10 trade, and these were small losses wherein I took over here to capitalize my account. One was over here, I lost the trade, and one more was here, I lost the trade, and here was one big win of 9k where I made. So also I made one small scalp over here in this long where I booked around 5k or something. And the other big trade what I recently booked was I took in this liquidity similar to this. I took in this liquidity and I booked 1:6 trade over right over here. You can think, why did I just book? Because there's one more big trade and I wanted to just secure this trade and let the big trade do its action, because I wanted to keep the account secure because it's a pretty small account and I wanted to see small compounding effect. And the big trade what I am in right now, it is BNB, and as you all can see, here was my entry. So the liquidity over here, I saw it framing and I was pretty sure there is a big support over here, and as soon as it bounced from here, look at the way I didn't even get stopped once, guys. I'm very happy about it. The market is pumping right now and my take profit would be somewhere around $800. This is a 1:11, 1:12. So I'll be adding another 20k to this account if this goes well. So these are the trades, these are the kind of trades what I take, and I will completely explain you what is the strategy and everything. This is just a short trade to introduce myself, what I do, what I trade, how I trade, and let us see if I'm gonna pass the challenge of reaching that 1 lakh soon. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you guys do like the content what I did, if you found something knowledgeable or it added something to your life, please do subscribe and also share with your friends, because I will be coming up with more topics related to crypto and everything.